Where'd my glasses go?
I want a hug. I want a hug. No hug?
Oh. That's a bear hug.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm tired. My brother's here. His wife is with him this time, and the kids are going nuts. The project this time around is basically to finish the dinette replacement. We're going to be doing the lids, the doors, the hinges, the drawers. Ready, set, go. ¿Qué vamos a hacer hoy?
Round number 2.
Round 2.
Round 2. You gotta finish what you started.
There you go.
Standing on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. In time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes.
Put those down. Those are hinges.
Piano hinges.
Yes.
Not that they play music, but...
Which one should I get out now?
Which one you want to get out now? Okay. I'll tell you which one. Those 3. Wow. A la misma vez. He can. He's strong. I'm telling you, man. Yeah. The time that you're big, I'm going to be old. So, but I need you as a helper, Axel.
Can you remember when we were young and free? Like queens up on a throne.
And here's the second one. Hold on.
I don't like that.
You don't like that noise?
So, Kalle, can you stop because Emma's annoyed?
How we gonna,
Sorry, Emma.
how are we gonna get the RV done? Here we go. You ready? You're doing construction while I do hair. Ta-da!
Kissing while we painted hearts down in the sand. The sand, yeah.
You can do some finger painting. Your towel's over there, remember, on the bench. Oh boy, what did I do? Why don't we use your brush instead? Well, we'll do it one of these days when I have a little more energy and when we're not doing construction. You're really good with the brush.
Paint brush.
Yeah, painting brush.
I'm still seeing 11 and a half. 11 and a half. That's fine. Oh, I went on the inside. Get your fingers out of the way. I've learned from years that the nail gun, it's like a snake.
Yeah.
I have a 1-inch nail there, so as long as my fingers are 1 inch away,
You're okay.
you should know better, but
Yeah.
for some reason, if you go all the way, they'll get stuck.
Ta-da!
Look at all that space you got.
That's a great cubby.
Nice.
For the rest of my life, time goes on, but I'm saying goodbye.
That's pretty cool.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, I like it.
Wow.
That's pretty.
It looks like one piece.
Yeah, that's cool.
There's a line right there. There's 2 pieces of wood right there, and you can't even tell. that's the hinge for the trash can.
Yeah. This is the door close, and then door opens. So this goes there, like that. Since we're rounding it here,
I'm gonna give yourself a little more space.
What's this? It doesn't hurt. So, Kalle, can I have that thing? You know, the thing that makes the lumpy chips? Ooh, that suited it.
no.
Can I have that thing that
Too big.
makes...
Yeah.
I want to make a lumpy chip.
Lumpy? He wants the belt sander.
Look, what do you want to sand? This piece. Okay. A little square piece of wood. And you wrap it around the square piece of wood like this. See? And now you can sand.
And then you'll make...
I'm not gonna give you a power sander. I know that's what you want. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. That's the finish nail. Okay.
It has a setting point, right? And then you just put it in the middle.
We're trying to take 5 minutes real quick. Just cook dinner, meatloaf, and gravy and stuff.
They're all
Anyway,
invited.
I know, yeah, everybody come over for dinner. I wanted to show the doors. He's actually done with the doors. This door is completely finished. The mechanisms on it are really fantastic. It's amazing that he does this from scratch. And this door here as well. Now he's doing the rest of the tongue and groove that goes here.
That groove, you see that groove? Uh-huh. Look at the bottom. From the bottom, a little bit more. There you go. Wow. That's it.
Good job.
Last piece for the day.
I'm gonna draw with a pencil where you gotta put the glue, all right? A little there, a little bit there, and then a little, look at the pencil, all right? Follow the pencil line, all right? You follow the pencil line, all right?
Why do you do that?
Because
you gotta follow the
see if you can follow the pencil line. Okay, that's it. That's
Follow the
enough. Now
pencil.
keep on going. The pencil. Look at the pencil line. Okay, there you go. Yeah.
Okay,
Right. You got it. Can I help you? Can I help you?
Yes,
You
no
are gonna
problem.
put it on, but can I help you?
Yes.
You are. I'm just gonna
Everybody,
say,
it's a group
everybody,
effort.
pitch in,
Oh my
man.
goodness.
Now, hit it. There you go.
Yeah.
All
my
right.
goodness.
Okay, now clean the floor.
What are you doing now?
Now I'm gonna put some nails to it. That way.
Ooh, can I put that nail?
It is dark outside.
Last board of the day.
How many dresses do you have on?
1, 2, 3.
Is that your personal style?
Sometimes.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It can come off, Stacy.
Yeah, that's a tutu.
It looks a lot better when you
And that's
pull-
another
there you go.
tutu.
Let's fix it.
Emma, who dressed you?
I dressed myself.
By
really.
yourself?
Why don't you let us dress you?
No, I want to dress my own style.
Oh, okay.
Step on it there. That's the weakest spot right there. There you go.
Featherweight. It's a conversation.